Zoom in real quick. We're going to do the creation tool. So I'm going to right click on it and I am going to select, once it loads up, come on, right click. There you go. We're going to do run as an administrator. And you really don't need to do this on a Windows 11 environment. Got the user account control. You could do this in a Windows 10 environment. For this example, I'm doing everything within a Windows 11, but it doesn't really matter if you have a Windows 10 and you're getting your flash drive ready for Windows 11. You could download this media creation tool within your Windows 10 box and just run it and then do your thing. So let me zoom out. This is what we're going to get. It's getting a few things ready. Now, because I'm running VMware Workstation, I am going to get this prompt. Connect to the host. I don't want that. Connect to the virtual machine. Yes. So I'm going to select PC01 because I want this USB to be mounted into the virtual machine. The Windows media creation tool is getting a couple things started and ready. I'm going to go into my downloads and I'm going to select Rufus 4.4. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to run it as an administrator. So I'm going to install this while the media tool is getting itself ready. Let's click yes here, whichever way you want. You could do the media creation tool or you could do Rufus. If you use Rufus, you need to download the Windows 11 image and Microsoft already provides that for you. So just download it. So do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates offline? I'm going to say no for now. Best practice is yes, because you want to have the latest and greatest. And there it goes. Boom. It picked up the 16 gig flash drive, which is this guy right here. This is the name. Like I said before, I've used this flash drive many times to create bootable flash drives. Let's open up our media, see where it's at. All right. So first thing that it is going to ask is, select your language in addition, English. If you're speaking another language, pick it. Edition, you only have one edition, and that is Windows 11. That's what we want. Let's click on next. So it gives you the option. So choose which media to use. USB flash drive, it needs to be at least 8 gigs. We have that. Excellent. And or an ISO file. You need to burn the ISO file to a DVD later. So the utility actually downloads the ISO file for you. So we're going to do the USB flash drive for now. It actually picked up the flash drive that we inserted. We're going to click next. It's going to get a few things ready. And within select, we're going to go into the downloads folder and pick our Windows 11 23H2 image. This is it right here. Let's click on open. It's going to scan the image. Once it scans the image, it is going to give you this. Awesome. And just click on start. And once you click on start, it will prompt you a couple of things. It's going to warn you. So that's one of the things I do not like about the Windows Media installation tool. It's this process right here. It's just another, it's another step that you have to wait. It's like watching paint dry, and I hate this process. That's why I personally recommend downloading the ISO image, getting Rufus or whatever utility you guys like to use, and select your image and then you're good to go. Right now it is verifying the download. So technically within Rufus, I could click on start. Just go for it. Now, this is the cool thing I like about Rufus. Let me zoom in real quick. Boop. There we go. So customize Windows installation. So remove requirement for 4 gig plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM. But for Rufus, I'm just going to click OK. It's going to give me a warning. Let's check out the warning real quick. And the warning says all data on device, blah, E drive, 16 gigs will be destroyed. Yeah. Everything that you have in the flash drive will be gone. So if you have stuff inside that flash drive, make sure you back up that flash drive. If not, you are able to just click OK here. And it's going to be deleting all the partitions. We have the media creation tool. Progress is 6%. This is like watching paint dry. So holy moly, that sucks.